If you're posting content, but people are not showing up to your lives, this is the real reason why. A lot of entrepreneurs are doing the work. They're posting, they're showing up, they're trying to stay consistent. But when it's time to go live, nobody actually comes. And it feels like, what's the point of posting if it's not gonna help me grow? The problem is not your content. The problem is that your content isn't leading to anywhere. I've seen this happen so many times. Creators post very helpful content, good content, but each post stands on its own. There's no connection to their live, so the viewer watches the post and then keeps on scrolling because there's no next step. Your content should not just be helpful. It should guide people to go somewhere. So let me show you how to fix this. First, start talking about your live in your content. Don't wait until you go live. Use your content to prepare people. Say things like, I'm going live later and I'm going to show you XYZ, right? Now your content becomes a bridge. Next, you want to make your content about what you teach on or what you are selling, okay? If your content and your live feel very disconnected, people won't follow you. So your post should match your live topics. Now it's going to feel like one clear message. Next, give people a reason to show up. Don't just say I'm going live. Tell them why it matters. What are they going to learn? What are they going to gain, right? Now there's a reason to move from your content to your live shows. Then repeat the message, okay? Most people won't see your content the very first time. So say it again, post it again, remind them again, because repetition is going to build awareness. Next, you want to make it easy to follow. Make it easy to follow you to your live, right? If people don't know where to go, they're not gonna go. So keep it simple. Keep the messages clear. Have a clear direction. Now your content leads them somewhere. So if your content isn't leading people to your live, here's what's really happening. There's no connection, there's no direction, and there's no reason for them to move forward. Good news is that you don't need more content. You need more connected content. Now, if you want more strategies like this to help you get more viewers, grow your live shows, and turn your content into real momentum, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. I appreciate you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.